In Roman number system, when a smaller number comes before a larger number, then we subtract. Let us explain it with an example. We know IV equals 4. Here I is smaller than V, and we subtract I from V, that is, V minus I, that is 5 minus 1 equals 4. If this is true, then IC equals 99, and LD equals 450, but these are not true, because the subtraction has limitations. Limitation says that subtraction is only allowed when 1. A smaller symbol is placed before a larger one, and 2. That smaller symbol is one step lower in value than the larger one. 3. Only I, X, and C can be used for subtraction. V, L, and D can never be subtracted. Now we shall see how it's work. Now, look at the 7 symbols of Roman numerals. Here, I is one step lower than V, and I can be subtracted from V. Though, V is one step lower, but by rule, V never can be subtracted. Again, I is one step lower than X, so I can be subtracted from X. X is one step lower than L, so X can be subtracted from L. Again, though L is one step lower than C, by rule, L never can be subtracted. X is one step lower than C, so X can be subtracted from C. C is one step lower than D, and C can be subtracted from D. Again, though D is one step lower than M, but by rule, D never can be subtracted. C is one step lower than M, and C can be subtracted from M. X is 2 steps lower than M, but subtraction rule says, X cannot be subtracted from M. Similarly, I cannot be subtracted from C.